Hello, this is Peggy Poyser from theeasytechclub.com, and today I wanted to show you how to create beautiful collages for your blog using an application which is a free online software for photo editing called PicMonkey. So what you do is you type in the address PicMonkey.com and you would get to that page. As you can see here, it's completely free and there's no registration required, which makes it completely easy. So what you do is click on create a collage, and when you're on that page, as you can see here, there are already photos uploaded, and for the purpose of this tutorial I'm going to use these photos. But to upload your own photos from your computer, you'll click on upload photos, find the photos on your computer, upload them to it, and you will have them showing just here. The next step will be to create your layout, or to choose one that is already preset. As you can see here, there's a lot of them already preset, and all you have to do is click on the one you want to use and fill in the squares, fill in the cells. You can also decide to create your own. So by clicking on create your own, it brings you back to where your photos are saved. All you have to do then is to drag and drop the photos. And you could then organize them choosing the layout that you want. So for example, I've dropped that photo here. I want to drop that one right on the side. As you can see here, there's that big long gray bar that's appearing, which is showing me which cell is going to be that photo is going to take. So if I drop it, as you can see, it's filling that cell. Now if I wanted to have that photo here and have it right on top of that cell, I can drop it just here. But if I want it to be all across both cells, then I'll just lift it up slightly, and when I see the long grey bar, I'll just drop it in, and there you go. So as you can see, it's already showcasing the photos in a really beautiful way. The next step would be to choose your background, and here, as you can see, you can decide on the color of the background, or you can decide to leave it white, or you might have a color that you're already using for your website and you want to use that color. So all you have to do here is to copy in the HTML code of the color that you are using. I'm going to leave it white. You can actually also decide to make it transparent, which can also be quite nice. As you can see, there's a little drop down shadow as well if you were going for transparent. Let's leave it white for this one, and I can also decide to make it rounded corner. So all I have to do is drag the little circle on the bar there to decide on how much rounded do I want it. And I can also decide here on the space in between each photos. So for the same way, I would drag up and down the little circle on the bar. And once I'm happy with it, let's say this is what I want, all I have to do then is save the photo. I can decide to save it as either JPEG or PNG. By saving it JPEG, I can decide on the quality of the photo, which will influence the size of the photo. If it's only to add it to your blog post, there's no need to save it to the highest quality, because all it will do is take a lot of space on the post, take a lot of space in your blog. So let's say I want to save it in the smallest size. I will choose that one. So it's small, medium, and big. And then all I do next is save my collage, choose the location where I want to save it. Once I'm happy, I go save. I've already got one named that way, so I'm just going to cancel. But once it's saved, this is it. You have your photo ready to use and to put inside your blog post. So this is it. I hope you find it useful, and I hope you have lots of fun creating lots of beautiful collages for your blog. And if you have any question, as always, just contact me and I'll be happy to answer. Take care, and I'll see you very, very soon. Bye.